Today we are making Andhra style chicken curry, a spicy and flavorful South Indian favorite. Let's start by heating some oil in a pan. Now to this I'm adding 2 finely chopped onions. Fry the onions till it turns slightly brown in color. Usually in Andhra style or Telangana style cooking, for most chicken gravies, extra oil is used. So you can always add your oil according to your requirement. Over here I've added about 4 tablespoons of oil. You can see the onions turning slightly brown in color. This gives this curry its rich base. At this point I'm adding 2 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger garlic paste. Stir fry this for about 2 to 3 minutes till you see the color change with the onion and the ginger garlic. Now at this point I'm adding half kg chicken. These are mixed cut pieces. Just stir fry the chicken for a couple of minutes. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add salt to taste. Put a lid on and allow this to cook for about 7 to 10 minutes. You can see the chicken has released water out here. At this point I'm adding half a teaspoon of crushed Kasoori Methi, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. The spices can be adjusted according to taste. Give this a good mix. Now I'm adding tomato puree. This is taken from 2 medium-sized tomatoes. At this point, put a lid on and allow this to simmer on very slow heat for about 10 minutes. You can see that the oil is come to the surface. I'm adding about half a cup of hot water. This is just to adjust the consistency for a little more gravy. I'm adding some slit green chilies and curry leaves. about half a teaspoon of garam masala. This is homemade garam masala. If you wish to know the recipe to this, I will leave the link in the description below, and also for the ginger garlic paste. Some coriander leaves. Put a lid on and allow this to simmer for another 2 to 3 minutes, and the curry will be ready. The curry is beautifully cooked and full of that authentic Andhra aroma. Serve it with some hot bagara rice for a hearty, satisfying meal. I will also share the link for the bagara rice in the description below. Please do have a look at it.